To all, today we shall be discussing about environmental movement, Chipko movement, Silent Valley, and Bishnoi of Rajasthan. Environmental movements can be defined as a social or political movement for the conservation of environment or for the improvement of the state of the environment. The environment movement favors the sustainability of natural resources. The movement often stresses the protection of the environment via changes in public policy. Many movements are centered on ecology, health, and human rights. Environmental movement ranges from the high organized and formally internationalized ones to the radically informal activities. So, Chipko movement, this movement was started in the year 1973 in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. It later spread into the neighboring districts of Tehri, Garhwal. This movement was initiated by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Other leaders of this movement are Gaura Devi, Sudeshna Devi, Bachchi Devi, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, Gobind Singh Rawat, Dom Singh Negi, Samsher Singh Bist, and Gyansam Ratori. The main objective was to protect the trees of the Himalayan slopes from the acts of the contractors. Sundarlal Bahuguna enlightened the villagers by stating the importance of trees in the environment, which checks the erosion of soil, causes rain, and provides pure air. The women of Advani village of Tehri Garhwal tied a sacred thread around trunks of trees and hugged the tree, hence it was called the Chipko movement. The Chipko movement of 1973 was organized by the Dasaloi Gram Swarajya Mandal in Gopeshwar, Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. The main demand of the people was that the benefit of the forest product should go to the local people. The Chipko movement gathered momentum in 1978, after which the state's chief minister Sri Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna set up a committee to look into the matter, which eventually ruled in favor of villagers. This became the turning point in the history of eco-development struggles in the region and around the world. Silent Valley movement. The Silent Valley movement was started in the year 1978 in the Palakkad district of Kerala, India. The Kerala Sahitya Parishad, an NGO, and the poet activist Sugata Kumari played an important role in the Silent Valley protests. The main objective of the Silent Valley movement was to protect the most evergreen forest of the Silent Valley from being destroyed by a hydroelectric project. The Kerala State Electricity Board proposed a hydroelectric dam across the Kuntipuja river that runs through the Silent Valley. In February 1973, the Planning Commission approved the hydroelectric project at a cost of about Rs 25 crore. Many feared that the project would submerge 8.3 square kilometers of untouched moist evergreen forest. Several NGOs strongly opposed the project and urged that the government should abandon it. In January 1981, bowing the unrelenting public pressure, the then Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, declared the Silent Valley will be protected. In June 1983, the centre re-examined the issue through a commission chaired by Professor M.G.K. Menon. In November 1983, the Silent Valley hydroelectric project was called off, and in 1985, the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Rajiv Gandhi, formally inaugurated the Silent Valley National Park. This movement is said to be the most successful movement, in the history. Bishnoi movement of Rajasthan. The Bishnoi movement took place during the 1700s in the Kejari and surrounding valleys of Manwar region of Rajasthan. The movement was initiated by Amrita Devi along with other Bishnoi villagers. The main objectives of the movement was to save the sacred trees from being cut down by the king's soldier for a new palace. Amrita Devi, a native, could not bear to witness the destruction of both her faith and the village sacred tree. She, along with other villagers, hugged the trees and that they will not leave the trees, and if the soldier still wants to cut the tree, they had to go through them. And 363 Bishnoi villagers were sacrificed in this movement. The Bishnoi tree motifs were influenced by the teaching of Guru Maharaj Chambaji, who founded the Bishnoi faith in 1485 and set forth principles forbidding harm to trees and animals. The king, after knowing about the incident, rushed to the village and apologized, ordering the soldiers to cease logging operations. Soon afterwards, the Maharaja designated the Bishnoi state as a protected area, forbidding harm to trees and animals. In the next video sessions, we will be discussing about the environmental ethics, roles of different Indian religions and cultures in the environmental conservation. So, these are the certain movements as per your syllabus, and the contents are being placed point wise so that it is easy for you to understand. So, if you have any query, then do let me know.